My name is Kotso Makore, and today I'll be displaying my fabrication skills. So to start my work, I will need my hard hat, my clay goggles, my leather apron, my spats, and my steel toe boots. Here is my welding shield. This one, I will use it for welding. Then for grinding, this is an auto darkening head. It can also be used for grinding as well. Then I'll be using my cutting torch. So I'll also need these ones for my hot work. Hot work, that includes welding and using the cutting torch. So I'll be using these leather gloves. As you can see, here I've done my housekeeping. Now I have my personal protective clothing. I've done my housekeeping. I've done my risk assessment. Now I'm going to check the work that I'm supposed to be doing today. As you can see, there's nothing that can make me trip and fall on the floor. My floor is clean, my table is clean. So that means when I start to do my work, there is no room for injuries. Now when it comes to the sound and noises, I have my earplugs here that I will use to cover my ears. I thank you. So after my risk assessment, after putting on my personal protective clothing, now I'm going to my job card to check what I'm supposed to be doing today. So on my drawing here, they say I should fabricate a circuit screen door to cover the upper part of the stable door. So I'm supposed to fabricate a screen door. That means this is going to be half of the stable door. And then there are some measurements that are here. I'm going to use 10mm deformed bar, 10mm deformed bars. I'm going to use 25 by 25 angle irons. I'm supposed to drill holes and rivet the cover of the lock. So here I'm now reading my drawing before I start doing my work. So right now I now have the specifications. I know what the client wants, and I'm now going to fabricate. Now I'm going to the stage where I'm going to identify the material I'm going to use. In this case, I'm going to use angle irons and rebars. So the next stage here is to identify the equipment that I'm going to use. Thank you. Welcome back. Now here I'm now identifying the tools that I'm going to use. Here are the power tools that I'm going to use. My drill, because I'm supposed to drill holes on that on the log. This one is my baby grinder. I use it to miter the angles, and this one is the 9-inch grinder. Now for the marking out tools that I'm going to be using today, I have my chalk, I have my center punch, I have my measuring tape. Then I'll be using this rivet gun to pop my rivets into place. Now I also have my engineer square. So already now I have already identified the tools that I'm going to use, and another tool that I will use is this one, my welding machine, to do my hot work. I'm also going to use my cutting torch, that will be later on. So for now, I've already identified the tools I'm going to use today, and I hope you are going to enjoy this video. Thank you.